Hello and welcome to this video. Today we are going to discuss this question. I'll read the question for you and explain what do we need to do for solving the question. We need to calculate the side distance for design speed of 50 kilometer per hour for two cases. One case is when there is two-way traffic on a two-lane road, and the second case is when we have two-way traffic on a single lane road. So let us first write down the formula for the SSD, right? Let me write it down for you. SSD can be represented from 0.278 V into T plus 0.278 V whole to the power 2 upon 2G F plus minus N in the percentage, and this is the formula, right? So this can also be understood as this is the lag distance, this is the braking distance, this is the distance covered by the vehicle when the brakes are applied, and this is the distance taking decision to apply the brakes. So let us first write down what we have been given data. We have speed, that is 50 km per hour. We'll use the speed directly in this formula. Okay, then next is reaction time, that can be taken upon as 2.5 seconds, right? Then there is coefficient of friction. Since the coefficient of friction has not been given in the question, let us assume it to be 0.35, or in fact let us assume it to be 37. Now for the first case, for two-way traffic, when the traffic is moving in two lanes, right? SSD can be given as 0.278 into 50, that is the speed of the vehicle, 2.5 seconds is the reaction time, plus 0.278 50 squares upon 9.81 multiplied by 0.37, right? This will come out to be 61.4 meters. This is the SSD for two-way traffic with two lanes. Next, let's do it for two-way traffic with single lane. Traffic single lane. When there is single lane, the distance required for stopping the vehicle would be doubled. The reason for that would be the vehicle would be coming from one direction and from the other direction. Both the vehicles will have to stop at the same point. So SSD is equal to 2 into 61.4 meter. The already SSD have been calculated before, so it will come out to be 122.8 meter. That's it for today. We'll meet you in the next question. Thank you.